Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an Apple Watch on the Strava application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do just go and open whatever browser you're going to, whatever phone you're going to use, and of course, then open the Strava application if you have it already downloaded. Of course, if you don't have it downloaded, you will need to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you open And once it's downloaded, just go and open the application. Once it's open, they will actually ask you to log in into your account if it's your first time. Make sure to log in into your account if you have an account, but if you don't have an account, they will provide you with three options to create your account. The option of creating your account with Facebook, with Google, and the email. Choose whatever suits you, and once you created your account or logged in into your account, you'll find yourself here at this home option of the Strava application, which is going to be your home screen, your main screen. And of course, here normally find your posts. You can edit your posts, add some posts, or even delete the post if you want. But what we said in this tutorial, we would like to add an Apple Watch. So of course, if it's already installed on your watch, you will have to open the app on your watch, on the Apple Watch. So of course, if it's not installed, tap on install next to Strava and the watch app. Then open the Strava application on your watch and you will be prompted on your phone to authorize Strava for Apple Watch. So of course, there is nothing much you can do on the application. You will have to do this on the app or on the Apple Watch of course, on the Apple Watch. You'll need to download this. If it's not downloaded, it's downloaded, this will be great. Just go and open it and make sure to log into the same account that you are logged in into your phone. Once you do that, they will ask you for an authorize on your phone. Authorize it and you'll be good to go. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.